Now let's understand what are hooks. So we will be covering hooks in two videos. So first one will be before all and after all. So what are hooks basically? These are the piece of code which we generally execute before running our test suite and after running our test suite. So now why this is required? So because whenever if you want to create some users, or if you want to authenticate before running the test, that time you will be using, or like you want to establish a database connection as well, so for before running the test suite, so for that it is used. So and after all is used, like if you want to, like if you have used the data in your test cases and now you want to remove it during API testing, so for that hooks are used. Or like if you want to generate the report after test execution, then also after hooks are used. Or you want to clean the data, or you want to clean the temporary files which are generated, for that after all is used. So these are few of the test cases which these are the few of the use cases precisely where we use hooks. So now let's see how it works in action. So I will be taking this script from here. I will be just copy pasting this all, and I will be creating a new file. So already I have created the hooks file, so I will not be creating it inside module 2. So what I will do is this: I have copied my code, and what I will do is similarly I will name it test1, and same code I will copy and I will make it a test2, so that there will be two test cases which will be executing after before hook, before all, and once these are executed, after all will be triggered. So let's now write our code: test dot before all, and after that async. Okay, so after that I will be using async, just copying from here and there. Just this sync, and here what I will do is console log. I will just be printing the output, like so that we can understand this before all is getting executed. So I will simply give a comment like running before all test. Okay, so we are sure, like before running all the tests, this output is generated in our report, and this test before all is executed before the actual test execution of test1 and test2. Similarly, what I will do after all implementation, same thing I will do, just copy pasting, and it's after all async and running after all test. After all test. Okay, so now it's done. Just giving some space, and let's see the code in action now. So just run test. So all the both tests will be executed, and before that before all will be executed, and after that after all will be executed. See, running before all test, you can see in the console like running before all test has been executed. So from that we have confirmed that this has been like output to console. One did not run. Okay, cannot read properties of retry. Okay, so we will run it again because I have done one mistake, like same test name I have given, so Playwright was unable to identify whether this is test 1 or test 2. So my bad there. So what I will do is I will simply save it now, or I can do one thing, just remove it. I will copy the same, paste it here and give it as test 2. Now Playwright will be able to identify test 1 and test 2. So first of all, whenever I will execute this, execute all. So okay, I have not saved it yet. Now I have saved the code. This kind of small mistakes can happen, but you need to be very careful with this. So let's run again, run tests. Okay, so first of all, BeforeAll will be executed, and it will be shown in our log. Okay, so running BeforeAll test has been shown. Now this test 1 is getting executed, as you can see, and now AfterAll will be executed. Test 2 is running now. Once test 2 execution is completed, then AfterAll is printed in the console. So this is how this works. So you can implement it according to your use case, before and after all. I hope you got the point. Thanks.